Go out. Leave home.
Come in. Enter.
We went out last night.
Come in, please.
Walk out. Leave angrily.
Run away. Escape or leave.
He walked out of the meeting.
They ran away from danger.
Drive off. Leave in a vehicle.
Get in. Enter a car or space.
She drove off quickly.
Get in the car.
Get out. Leave a place.
Move in. Start living in a place.
Get out now.
We moved in yesterday.
Move out. Leave your home.
Sit down. Take a seat.
He moved out last week.
Sit down here.
Break up. End a relationship.
Get along. Be friendly.
They broke up last year.
We get along well.
Make up. Be friends again.
Fall for. Start loving.
They made up after the fight.
He fell for her.
Ask out. Invite on a date.
Go out. Date someone.
He asked her out.
They're going out together.
Split up. Separate.
Cheer up. Be happier.
They split up recently.
Cheer up, friend.
Hang out. Spend time together.
Hit on. Flirt.
We hang out often.
He hit on her at the party.
Call back. Return a phone call.
Hang up. End the call.
I'll call you back.
She hung up suddenly.
Get back. Return later.
Follow up. Continue or check again.
I'll get back to you.
He followed up the email.
Shut down. Close something completely.
Send out. Distribute or deliver.
They shut down the site.
They sent out the invites.
Reach out. Contact someone.
Set up. Arrange or organize.
I reached out to her.
I'll set up the call.
Hold on. Wait a moment.
Cut off. Disconnect.
Hold on a minute.
The call was cut off.
Check in. Register at a place.
Check out. Leave a place.
We checked in late.
Time to check out.
Take off. Begin flying.
Set off. Start a trip.
The plane took off.
We set off early.